Hi, I'm Emma and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan, and I love all things crafty, especially if it's bright and fun. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own zoo animals out of craft materials and empty cartons. Let's get started! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need cardboard tubes, paint, a ruler, a pencil, some scissors, glue stick, multicoloured tissue paper, coloured A4 card, white and black permanent markers, paint brushes, an empty cereal box, an empty juice carton. Take the cereal box and draw an arch. Cut this out with scissors. Next, paint the outside of the cereal box with blue paint and leave to dry. You may need to add a second coat. Once dry, using a white Posca paint pen, decorate the box with leaves, brickwork, and write the word elephant house around the top in an arch. Next, make the giraffe house. First, draw and cut out an arch on the side of the empty juice carton. Paint the juice carton green and leave to dry. You may need to add a second coat. Decorate with a white Posca pen as before. Use a discarded piece to draw and cut out a scalloped edge canopy and stick to the carton. Now let's make the animals. Cut out pieces of coloured tissue paper, measuring approximately 15 by 60 centimetres. Add a strip of glue to the card roll and then roll the tissue paper around the empty rolls. I find a couple of layers works best for this. Secure the end with glue and then tuck in the excess tissue. Repeat this for each animal. Black for the penguin, pink for the elephant, white for the zebra, yellow for the lion, another yellow for the giraffe. If you want to make the giraffe extra tall, use a kitchen roll tube and cut a taller piece of tissue paper out. Let's start with the penguin. First, cut out a fringe from yellow card and stick around the top of the black tissue paper covered roll. Adding a white tummy piece, black wings, white eyes, and a yellow beak. Then draw a black dot in the middle of each eye. Lions have beautiful flowing manes. To create this, we're going to cut out a circle from orange card and add little snips all the way around. Add a yellow smaller circle in the centre and draw on a friendly face. He will also need a tail. So cut out a strip of yellow card and an orange tuft shape from orange card. Stick these together, then add them to your lion. When creating your zoo animals, explore your creativity. For the zebra, I'm going to use tissue paper for its mane, and here his nose looks like a smiley face. Do you want to know a fun fact about zebras? I know that a group of zebras can be called a dazzle. Now we can create the elephant. She's my favourite. I have used pink card for her ears and folded a really cool zigzag for her trunk so it looks 3D. Then I used white for her tusks. Elephant tusks are actually enlarged incisor teeth, which first appeared when they are about 2 years old and keep growing. For the giraffe, press down the top of the tube in the centre to form 2 ears and decorate the surface with orange tissue paper shapes and add a tail. Also added a fuzzy hairdo and a cheeky face. Last but not least, we can make the snake. Cut an empty loo roll into a spiral shape. Then paint the outside and inside dark green and leave to dry. I have added a red tongue for character. Do you know that snakes use their tongue to smell? Your zoo is now complete.